Hello, my name is Camilo Andrés Tafur. I will talk about the samurais of Japan. The samurai, the samurai were a class of elite Japanese warriors who performed military service for the nobles. As a child, as a child, his side took the call be a samurai. He jumped, he played tank a call, defeat many enemies. The samurai could now stop all for honor. If I get a tattoo, it was like a samurai tattoo on my right arm, that symbolizes willpower and fit for my principles and protection for the people I love. Miyamoto Musashi, counted as the most famous samurai of all time, all of time. My Japan add-on of the most turbulent times in its story. Born into a samurai family from childhood and devoted himself to improving himself through sword art. There are many types of Japanese swords that differ in size, shape, field of application, and method of manufacture. Some of the most welcome types of Japanese swords are the katana, tachi, odachi, wakizashi, and tanto. Thank you for attention.